Let's check out the Caudabe Synthesis Frost case for your 17 Pro. This case has minimalistic rugged protection for your phone. Starting off with the design of the Caudabe Synthesis Frost case, there's these bumps on the side which help with grip. These are basic grip strips that are really grippy, not sandpaper like, but they do offer great grip when handling your phone. So if in case you are very slippery when it comes to dropping your phone, you'll have enough grip all the way around the actual case. So not to worry whatsoever, considering the fact that it is a very good in-hand feeling case. Next thing is when it comes to the MagSafe strength of this case, it is literally a 9.5 out of 10. No complaints whatsoever when it comes to the MagSafe strength. When it comes to utilizing the MagSafe on this case, it is extremely durable and strong, as you can see here. Let's test the MagSafe battery pack that I have here and give it a little bit of a shake and see how well it attaches. No issues whatsoever with magnetic strength and no wobbling and falling off from the actual case. Now let's discuss the overall protection. It is a 15-foot drop protective case. I have a tempered glass screen protector and there's plenty of lip surrounding the screen, no issues. As for the camera plateau protection, you got plenty of lip surrounding that camera plateau. It is deeply recessed inside the actual camera plateau protective casing. As you can see here, there's plenty of lip action to protect those lenses. Taking a look at the buttons, these are aluminum buttons that you can swap out with a different set of buttons. Now these buttons are not loose like some of the other Caudabe cases that are out for the 17 Pro series, and no issues with the Frost synthesis on my variant, so no problems whatsoever with tactile and functionality. In regards to the camera control, there's no issues whatsoever when it comes to utilizing this camera control button. In this case, it works flawlessly every single time and it works smoothly as intended. In the end, this is a must-go-to phone case for anybody who is looking to get a great protective minimalistic type of case with great grip, great protection, and solid build all around. This is a win from Caudabe. Thanks for watching my review and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.